Hi friends, I would like to greet you and congratulate you because you are the pioneers that are helping ground 5D on planet Earth. Today I want to share about the Matrix. Okay, the real reason why the divine masculine does not awaken is because the one soul complex is still in the Matrix. Okay, and if he were to awaken, okay, then the negative entities would attack him and leave him completely, harmed. So that is the reason the divine masculine awakens only when the one soul complex ascends beyond the matrix. All right. So these are the real teachings of the twin flame path, because I am a real twin flame. And when you really reach the level of the third eye and crown chakra, your external reality changes. Oh, look, it's so beautiful out here. Okay, so when your energy really reaches the crown chakra, your external reality changes. Okay, because your external is a mirror to the internal. All right. And let's lay down the facts very clearly, friends. The divine feminine is the one who can do the energetic work. She has to shift both of them into the higher dimensions beyond the matrix, which happen at the crown chakra and higher heart. It's one complex, crown and higher heart, for monadic twin flames. And for split twin flames, you have to work up till the crown chakra for the union to happen, and then you can work up to the higher chakras to activate the higher chakras. But if you are a monadic twin flame, then the 13th chakra, which is the higher heart, and crown chakra activate simultaneously. And there are lots of people out there these days giving false signs of monadic twin flames. Okay, and these signs are designed to include more and more non-monadic twin flames and all sorts of twin flames into their channel, when the name of the channel is when a channel is dedicated to monadic twin flames. So they have mixed up the science of the monadic twin flames and split twin flames just to get clients. Okay, and then later on, after a few months, when they've made their money, they are going to put the real differences between monadic twin flames and split twin flames out there. You know how many people are already doing this channel on monadic twin flames. So monadic twin flames have specific signs. If you mention that, I think 70% of the people of the channel might leave because they're not monadic twin flames. Okay, so smartness, right? Smartness. And these people have claimed to have transcended polarity when they are lying to get business. I mean, when you're beyond polarity, you don't lie, right? And you might call this white lies, but I call it collective deception. They are not white lies, they're collective deception. There are many ways to make money, like, you can have two careers. Most of the people who do this kind of work have two careers. Like, I'm an artist and a twin flame coach, a spiritual ascension coach. Until you make it big in any one career, usually people have two things. Some people have a shop, some people are lawyer and a twin flame psychic. So there are ways to make money. You don't have to deceive people, right? You have to tell the real qualities of monadic twin flames. And you don't have to tell lies. Okay, signs of monadic twin flames: tell the truth. And then, because there are very few monadic twin flames, but yes, split twin flames can graduate to the level of monadic twin flames. That can happen. So you reach up to the crown chakra, keep your kundalini stable there, then you activate the higher chakras, and then you achieve the level of the 13th chakra or the monadic twin flame or the crystalline light body. Okay, you can achieve that if you're a split twin flame. There is no higher and lower. Today we have possibilities available for everyone. If you're a split twin flame, so what? You have a different mission. It is not something less. Now, there are many categories of monadic twin flames. I am a split monadic twin flame, so I am both. I am also a split twin flame as well as I am a monadic twin flame. And yes, there are people out there who speak about this category. I'm not the only one who's talking about this category. There are monadic twin flames, and then there are split monadic twin flames, and then there are just split twin flames who are not on the monadic level. Now, monadic twin flames have specific signs, and let's be real, those signs are very specific. Okay, and one of the signs is that you have to reach up to the higher heart chakra activation for a divine masculine to awaken, and the higher heart is linked to the crown chakra. Okay, this is not so in the case of split twin flames. All right, and there's a different process for split twin flames and different process for monadic twin flames, and people out there are confusing you so that you book a session for clarity and to get views. Okay, and such cheap behaviors are not twin flame behaviors. Okay, so that's why first it's important to complete the process, keep your kundalini in the crown chakra, get out of the matrix, come into your authentic self. This has to be done first. That's why I'm just making this channel as a record. It's not if somebody is guided to take a session with me or to work with me through this channel, they can work. Otherwise, I have really not launched out a proper career in the spirituality domain. All right, I haven't started a proper channel or done proper marketing because I have not completed my process. I want to come into my authentic self, my monadic divine feminine self first. All right, so that I don't end up deceiving people for money on a collective level, because you are not just deceiving ordinary people, you're deceiving and confusing twin flames, and that's a lot of karma, by the way. Karma can affect us anyway, it can come into our physical body, it can affect our looks, it can affect our money, it can affect our relationships. Karma can manifest in any way, and there is no way to there's no way to escape it. All right, you can't escape the karma, you can't escape Saturn. All right, you can deceive people for a while. So basically this video I wanted to discuss about the matrix, why the divine masculine awakens only after you get beyond the matrix. See, the real divine masculine exists in 5D. Okay, for that you have to transcend and go above the matrix. And when you shift both the soul complex, because it's the divine feminine who does this work, she has to shift her own soul and she has to shift the divine masculine soul into the 5D higher dimension, 60, 70, and then he awakens, because at that level you meet the 5D twin flame. Before that, what you're seeing is a Maya. It's not the real twin flame, so don't go there. I know it's hard when you're having the obsession and the push energy is pushing onto your twin flame. It's hard. That's why you need to work with a coach, but it's not real. That's not your 5D twin, that's a 3D twin, and the 3D twin has a function of mirroring and helping you to rise out of the matrix. Okay, the only function of the 3D twin is to awaken you and help you rise out of the matrix, where you meet the real twin. So in the matrix there is a Maya version, fake version of your twin. That's why you have to cut out, you have to cut off, not cut out, cut off. You cannot cut the cords between twin flames. You have to cut off, maintain distance, and ascend to the 5D, and then the union happens when she ascends to 5D. She unites with the 5D twin, and within 1 year or less than that, or sometimes in some cases 2 years also, divine masculine catches up and you get the 5D version of your twin. So you have to get out of this disgusting matrix, friends, and this disgusting matrix ends at the level of the crown chakra for split twin flames, and for monadic twin flames this disgusting matrix ends at the level of energy training parasitic matrix. There are specific terms for this disgusting matrix. It's called the energy training parasitic matrix. Okay, where people don't exist in a soul embodied state, they exist in a fragmented state, basically draining each other's energy, and that's why we have social problems. And that's why twin flames can fix this social system, because they can reveal the real issue of the problem. The real issue of the problem is that people are fragmented and they are parasitic. Once people understand this, then the system will get fixed. Otherwise the nonsense will continue underground, loopholes will be exploited. Okay, you cannot solve the problem on the 3D level. You cannot solve the problem, somebody had said, Einstein, you cannot solve the problem on the same level it's created. You have to come to the God level to transcend shadow level. Okay, So problem has to be solved from the God level, from the level of the crown chakra, and by people who are embodied at that level, or at least take the advice of such people, for heaven's sake. And if you are in high power positions, please do your soul fragmentation healing. Go for the shamanic workshops. Do this work. Take responsibility, for heaven's sake. You're bringing heaven here, so heaven's sake, take responsibility. Be divine masculine. Be divine feminine. Responsibility. Okay, the first responsibility is, before getting married and having kids, is to be a good citizen of the system, which means you have to heal the soul fragmentation. That's the first level of awareness. I mean, look how many centuries we took to come to this level of awareness. Anyway, let's come back. Otherwise, you get all these people lying about split twin flames and monadic twin flames, right? You get all these kinds of people, because you don't prioritize the health of the social system. You don't think in terms of social system, right? You think in terms of personal profit. This is not reality of twin flames. This is not somebody who has awakened their kundalini, let alone reaching the kundalini to crown chakra is a different level where your body transmutes, turns into light. Okay. But way before that, when your kundalini awakens, you come into a level of authenticity where you cannot lie about monadic twin flames and split twin flames just to get more views and more clients. Create confusion to get more clients. This is a 3D business system. We have to bring in the 5D business values here. Okay, we're done with the 3D business system. It does not look good. It spoils your Venus. It ruins your Venus. There's no beauty there. Beauty of the divine feminine is based on authenticity. So, friends, just try to be authentic and you will be more beautiful. Just try to be more caring about the social system rather than selfish, and you'll be more beautiful. It's better than using filters, You do all these things, you come into a level of harmonic alignment with your soul, your appearance also improves, because the way you appear is what you hold inside. Authenticity or inside reflects outside. So beauty cannot be achieved through surgeries and filters. Beauty has to be achieved through being authentic. So anyways, if you want divine masculine to awaken, you have to take yourself out of the matrix. Because in the matrix, you don't get an awakened version of divine masculine. You get the 3D version of divine masculine. So that is the Kundalini journey, nothing else. Okay, it's a long journey. It takes many years. But for split twin flames, you have to reach to the level of third eye crown chakra merge, and for monadic twin flames, third eye and higher heart chakra activation, where you come into singularity matrix. Okay, it's not duality. And so you begin, after you reach to that level of singularity, within 1 year or maximum 2 years, your divine masculine 3D version will go into complete no contact, complete silence. It's called a silence before union. Because it's not that he is going into silence, 3D version of twin flame is going into silence. That's not happening. What's really happening is you are leaving the matrix and you are entering 5D. So there's no connection, no contact. Okay, and then when contact re-establishes, it's not with the matrix version, it's not with the fake version of the twin or the Maya version. It's called Mayavi. Mayavi means fake. Mayavi means artificial matrix, Maya matrix. And then he goes into silence. He doesn't go into silence. You go into disconnection with the matrix, and then you create emotional grounding, soul family connections, twin flame connections on 5D. That's after the Merkaba activates and Sushumna is active. It's a magical process, and that's why I'm here. Okay, because magic happens in places that are conducive to it, places that don't interfere with the process. In Indian traditions, we have to work with the guru, or if you are a avatar, direct incarnation, like twin flames are, then you can do it on your own, because you always have the guru mandala guiding you. Alright, but it does require certain specific environments. And I'm not saying I'm having the safest environment or the best environment. As long as you are in 3D, it's never safe. No matter how beautiful a place that you get. You know, people are always fragmented here. Things are always, social systems are not perfect here, you know. And that's why we are collectively doing this mission of grounding 5D here in this world, because once you establish 5D, you know, your physical reality changes. And then many twin flames come into inner union, establish 5D, come into outer union, and that's how the physical reality is changing. So we are bringing the 5D here on an individual basis, okay. And we are linking into different collective timelines. Basically, on a collective level, we are pulling in the collective timelines on this planet Earth, 5D and higher timelines. So friends, don't chase after your twin and try to awaken him, okay. That's not going to happen. You have to exist the matrix and get the 5D version of your twin. So if you're interested in working with me one-on-one, I offer sessions, plus I offer meditation classes, which are 8 classes a month, twice a week, 2 classes twice a week, 8 classes a month, 2 hours, 1 class. In that we discuss your twin flame process or your ascension process. We do meditation and we figure out where your energy blockages are, okay, and help to clear them through the soul retrieval process. We do the soul retrieval shadow integration meditation. So I offer these meditation sessions. You can work with me for a month, 2 months, 3 months, as long as required. And basic is 1 month package, 8 classes twice a week, 2 classes, 2 hours each class. And then I also offer a workshop, a one-on-one, which is understanding sacred sexuality. So if you're guided to study and learn about the true nature of sacred sexuality, you can take courses with people who give you those multiple orgasms and all of that, but first you need a proper match to identify the real teachers, okay. So there are teachers who will raise your energy upwards and give you orgasms in different chakras, but they have achieved that level. But how you're going to achieve that level? And in your process of achieving your level, you need some precautions, no? Because teachers might have achieved a certain level, but that does not give a guarantee that they're not going to exploit you in any way, because people do all sorts of things these days for money. Alright, so anyways, if you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, put your comments down, and feel free to contact me to work for guidance sessions, for this meditation sessions, and also for the sacred sexuality workshop. So bye for now friends, and I'll see you again next time.